Everyone, welcome back to TechChip. Today, I'll show you how to make your own animation using just your mobile phone. No computer needed. So grab your phone, open FlipaClip, and let's get started. First, download the app called FlipaClip from the Play Store or App Store. Open the app and tap on the plus sign to create a new project. Give it a name, choose your canvas size. I recommend 1080x1920 for YouTube Shorts or 1920x1080 for landscape videos, and hit create project. Now it's time to start drawing. On the first frame, draw your main character or object. Don't worry about making it perfect. Simple stick figures are great for beginners. Use the onion skin tool to see the previous frame, which helps make smoother animation. Next, let's bring your drawing to life. Add a new frame and move your character slightly, like lifting one leg for a walk or moving a ball upward. Keep repeating this step for each movement. When you play it, you'll see your animation come alive. Now it's time to make it more colorful and fun. Tap the background layer to add a sky, ground, or any image. Then go to the audio section and add sound effects, background music, or even your own voice recording. And you're done. Tap the export button and save your animation as a video. You can share it on YouTube, Instagram, or with your friends.